Living in Miami Gardens means enjoying year-round warmth, sunshine, and coastal breezes. But while the climate is ideal for outdoor living, it can take a serious toll on your home, especially your windows. Florida's high humidity, frequent rain, and intense sunlight can wear down window materials over time, leading to inefficiency, discomfort, and even damage. That's why window replacement isn't just a cosmetic upgrade, it's a necessity for keeping your home comfortable, efficient, and protected in Miami Gardens' tropical environment. Combating humidity and moisture damage. Florida's humid climate is relentless. Over time, excess moisture seeps into the smallest cracks and gaps around windows, leading to rot, mold, and frame deterioration. Wood frames are especially vulnerable, often swelling or warping due to constant exposure to moisture. By replacing outdated windows with moisture-resistant materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum-clad frames, homeowners can prevent these issues before they start. Modern windows are engineered with tight seals, insulated glass, and advanced weather stripping that protect your home from humidity-related damage while keeping interior air dry and comfortable. Properly installed replacement windows act as a barrier against moisture, reducing condensation buildup and preventing mold growth, two common problems in older Miami Gardens homes. Improving energy efficiency and indoor comfort in Miami Gardens. Keeping cool isn't just about comfort, it's about managing energy costs. Older windows often allow hot air to leak in and cool air to escape, forcing your air conditioner to work harder and driving up electricity bills. Modern energy-efficient windows help regulate your home's temperature by using advanced technologies like low emissivity coatings, which reflect heat while allowing natural light to pass through. Double or triple pane glass with argon gas insulation, reducing heat transfer. Thermally insulated frames designed to withstand high heat and humidity. Replacing your windows can dramatically improve your home's insulation, making it easier to maintain a consistent temperature while reducing your monthly energy costs. Withstanding storms and high winds. Florida's coastal climate also means one thing: the potential for tropical storms and hurricanes. Older or poorly sealed windows can fail under pressure, allowing water and debris to enter your home. Modern impact-resistant windows are built to handle the challenges of Miami Gardens' storm season. Made with laminated glass and reinforced frames, these windows can withstand strong winds and flying debris without breaking. Even if the glass cracks, it remains intact, keeping your home safe from water intrusion and structural damage. This added protection not only safeguards your property but can also qualify you for home insurance discounts, making window replacement a smart financial investment. Preventing condensation and mold growth. Condensation is another challenge in humid climates. When warm, moist air from outside meets a cool window surface inside, it creates water droplets that can lead to mildew and damage over time. New windows with warm edge spacers and insulated glass minimize this issue by maintaining a more consistent temperature across the surface. This helps prevent condensation buildup, protects your interior finishes, and promotes a healthier indoor environment for your family. Enhancing curb appeal and property value. Aside from performance benefits, window replacement also transforms your home's appearance. Fresh, modern designs, from sleek picture windows to stylish casement or sliding models, can instantly boost curb appeal and make your home stand out in the neighborhood. Because buyers in Miami Gardens value energy efficiency, weather resistance, and modern aesthetics, new windows can increase your home's resale value. It's an upgrade that pays off in comfort, savings, and long-term return on investment. Partnering with local experts for lasting results. To ensure your new windows perform their best in Miami Gardens climate, professional installation is essential. Local experts understand the region's humidity, heat, and building codes, ensuring every window is properly sealed and fitted for maximum performance. By partnering with trusted professionals, you'll benefit from precision craftsmanship, durable materials, and expert advice on the best window options for your specific home. Final thoughts. In Miami Gardens, window replacement is more than just a home improvement. it's essential protection against Florida's humid, storm-prone climate. New windows provide better insulation, durability, and style while keeping your home cool, comfortable, and safe all year long. With help from local window experts, you can enjoy a beautiful, efficient, and resilient home. One that stands strong against the humidity, heat, and storms that define life in South Florida.